First of all, I would like to rely on the case of Satinder Jain versus ED. The judgment was passed by this Honorable Court. Para 8-9 at page 170-171. सतिंदर जैन के केस में ट्रायल कोर्ट में बेल की एप्लीकेशन की सुनवाई चल रही थी। 18 घंटे सुनवाई हो चुकी थी। 6 दिन तक सुनवाई हो चुकी थी। उसके पहले काफी दिनों से सुनवाई चल रही थी, तब तक ईडी को कोई एप्रीहेंशन नहीं हुई। आखिरी सुनवाई होने वाली थी, आखिरी तारीख थी। सडनली ईडी हैज एन एप्रीहेंशन। दे गो टू द डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज. District judge allows the transfer. The matter comes before this honorable court, and this honorable court grants judgment in favor of ED. उस केस में और मेरे केस में बहुत ज्यादा सिमिलैरिटीज हैं। उस केस में इस ऑनेबल कोर्ट ने कहा था, क्वेश्चन इज नॉट ऑफ इंटीग्रिटी और अपराइटनेस ऑफ द जज, which applies here also. Question is not of integrity or uprightness of the judge. The question is an apprehension in the mind of a party. In that case, it was ED. In this case, it is me. The question is an apprehension in the mind of the party. In that case also, this court relied upon Ranjit Thakur versus Union of India, which says judge is not to look at his own mind and ask himself, however honestly am I biased, but to look at the mind of the party before him. उस जजमेंट पे रिलाय करके ईडी को ट्रांसफर एप्लीकेशन अलाउ कर दी गई। ऑल दैट आई एम डिमांडिंग माय लॉर्ड इज सेम पैरिटी एज ईडी, especially when my apprehensions are on much stronger ground than the apprehensions expressed by ED in their application. I've gone through that. So the law is simple, ma'am. It is not whether judge is actually biased, but it is whether the apprehension in the mind of the...
Right, understood.
There exists in my mind today a real, grave and reasonable apprehension that this petition will not receive judicial detachment and neutrality required in a criminal case like this.